Now, can we be honest for a second? Are you tired of your hair keep breaking every time you comb it? Does your hair feel dry no matter how much oils and conditioner you use? Are your ends continuously splitting? Is your hair shedding more than usual? Does it seem like your hair grows but you never keep the length because it keeps breaking? Have you spent so much money on expensive products that promise miracles only to be disappointed? If you answer yes to even one of those questions, then do not skip this video. Today, I will show you one of my favorite homemade deep conditioner made with rice, flaxseed, chia seed, fenugreek, and other ingredients. This nourish treatment helps leave the hair softer, more moisturized, and less prone to breakage, making it easy to retain the length you grow. So stay with me to the end because I am going to show you the exactly ingredients, the correct consistent, how to apply it correctly, and the only one mistake that can stop this deep conditioner from giving you the best results. So let's get started. Now listen. There are thousands of DIY hair recipes online, but most of them only moisturize the surface of your hair. But this recipe is different because we are combining ingredients that create a rich conditioner gel which help reduce breakage and make your hair feel smoother and easy to manage. When your hair breaks less, you are able to retain more of the length you grow. Now, our first ingredient is rice. Rice has been used for generations in hair care. It helps improve manageability, adds shine, and make hair feel more stronger. The next ingredient is flaxseed. Flaxseed creates an incredible sleep gel. That sleep helps reduce tangles, make hair easy to detangle much easier. Now, the next ingredient is chia seed. Chia seed produce another moisturizing gel that works beautiful with flaxseed. Together, they create a conditioner that coats the hair and leave it feel softer and more manageable. Now, the next ingredient is fenugreek. Fenugreek is one of my favorite ingredients because it gives me amazing sleep and help my hair feel healthier and less prone to breakage. So I add all these ingredients together, then pour in water into a bowl. For the measurement, you can use 1 tablespoon of it or 2 tablespoons of it. Depend how volume, how thicker, how longer your hair is, okay? So after measuring your ingredient, the next thing is pour in water, then bring it to a boil, or you can soak them overnight. There are two methods to prepare it: boiling method or overnight soaking. Anyone you choose, go ahead and prepare it, okay? So for me, I'm doing boiling method. So I just bring it to a boil with very low heat. Boil them only about 10 to 15 minutes, okay? Once the flaxseed have relieved the gel and the rice have gotten softer, then it's ready to be used. So immediately I off my gas. I like to cool down a little bit before I'll go ahead and blend it, okay? This homemade moisturizing deep conditioner is very easy to prepare, but the result we got with this deep conditioner is super amazing. With consistent of using it, you'll see less breakage, less shedding, thicker hair, fuller hair, more length retention, healthy hair, and your hair will be very full and thick. There's no joke. And guess what? This particular homemade moisturizing deep conditioner will give you better results than most of those expensive deep conditioner out there. So please try to use this consistent and you see that magic start happening. There's no joke. So I went off camera to blend this. After blending it, I bring a shift cloth to strain it out. You need to strain it out no matter how your blender crush this. so that to remove those particles of those ingredients so that they will not stuck on your hair. If those particles stuck on your hair, is a nightmare. It will take you weeks or months before you can able to rinse them out of your hair. So it's better that you strain it out, okay? Take you some seconds or some minutes for you to strain it out than you leaving it on your hair for weeks or months, okay? So make sure you use something that have very tiny hole to strain it out to avoid having nightmare, okay? So after straining it out of camera, this is what I have so far. This is the consistent I got so far. So for me, I will go ahead and add a little water to it because I want it to be more light consistent because my hair is low in porosity. So but if your hair is high in porosity, you can use it in this particular consistent. But if your hair is low in porosity, please use it in a lightweight consistent so that you can get that best result with this conditioner. So the next thing I will add to it now is my vitamin E. I'm using my vitamin E capsule. You can use vitamin E oil, okay? So I'm using like 3 to 4 pieces of my vitamin E capsule. Then I open them and pour it inside. Vitamin E capsule is also very, very important. It also helps to promote hair growth, nourish your hair, and moisturize your hair also. So after then, the next thing now I will add is my homemade hair growth oil. This is the best time to use that your homemade oils you have at home. Then add this into your deep conditioner and get more effective results with it, okay? So after adding all this, then I'll mix it properly. Make sure that everything has combined properly together with the conditioner. Then our powerful homemade deep conditioner is ready to be used. Guys, you don't need to spend thousands of dollars, thousands of naira buying expensive store bottle conditioner that end up disappointing you. Just try to prepare this simple and affordable and easy homemade deep conditioner and get best result you can ever imagine, and use it consistent. You see how your hair will drive, you see how your hair will retain more length, look more healthy, moisturize, easy to manage, and also your hair will be very, very healthy you can ever imagine. So now let me demonstrate to you the right way to apply this powerful deep conditioner on your hair so that you can get that good result without to break the bank. Now listen carefully. Most of you do not know the work of deep conditioner on your hair, and also most of you do not know the perfect time to apply deep conditioner on your hair to get that good results. So if you are one of them, make sure you pay close attention to get the full information on how deep conditioner work on your hair and how to use it and how important is it to your hair growth journey. So you may be using your deep conditioner the wrong way. It can be the reason why your hair keep breaking. No matter what you do, your hair is still dry, brittle, lifeless, and no length retention. So now this video is for you. Pay close attention. I will break down every single step that will make you to fully understand how important deep conditioner is to your hair and the best way to apply it to get that amazing results. Why deep conditioner is important? Because it helps to restore back moisture to our hair. Listen, after using your shampoo to shampoo your hair, deep conditioner is very, very important because those shampoo have removed the natural oil of your hair, leaving your hair very dry, very dull, very lifeless, and very easy to break. But immediately you bring that your deep conditioner and apply on your hair, it have restored all those oils, all those moisture, everything that shampoo have removed of your hair. It will restore them back, leaving your hair very soft, very easy to manage, very healthy, and very, very hard to break. Okay, so do not skip deep conditioning your hair whenever you use your shampoo on your hair because it's very, very important in our hair. Okay, so skipping deep conditioner on your wash days can be the reason why your hair is breaking, can be the reason why you're not retaining length, can be the reason why your hair is very hard, very coarse, can be the reason why your hair is lifeless, can be the reason why you're not seeing good results on your product you have been using, because when your hair is very dry, very lifeless, no matter the amount of products you apply on your hair, you will see zero result because your hair will still keep on breaking. But when you condition your hair in a right way, you will get good results in any product you apply on your hair. So if you have been skipping deep conditioning your hair, let me know in comment section below, okay? And promise me that you will never skip deep conditioning your hair from today upwards, okay? So now the perfect time to deep condition your hair is after shampooing your hair. It should be the next thing you will follow up. Immediately grab your deep conditioner and deep condition your hair immediately to restore back those oils, those moisture, and those nutrients that shampoo have stripped out of your hair, so that your hair will not be breaking unnecessary, or your hair will not be very coarse, very difficult for you to manage, okay? So as you can see, I first of all use warm water to dab my hair first before I go ahead and apply my deep conditioner to my hair. The reason why, because after shampooing my hair, I start preparing this deep conditioner. So before I will through preparing this deep conditioner, my hair have already gotten dry. So then I need to damp my hair a little bit before I go ahead and apply this deep conditioner, so that this deep conditioner can penetrate very well, absorb very well to my hair strands, and give me that better result. So what I'm trying to say now is, do not apply your deep conditioner on a dry hair. Make sure your hair is wet or damp before you go ahead and apply your deep conditioner for better results. So try to work in session. Working in session will help you to make sure that you have coated the deep conditioner generously all the entire of your hair strands and also your scalp. Yes, you can also use this deep conditioner on your scalp. You don't need to worry anything, because all the ingredients are benefits on your scalp and also on your hair strands. So apply it anywhere of your hair, okay, and you get good amazing results with it. But make sure you strain it very well. Make sure there's no particles of the deep conditioner before you go ahead and apply it on your hair, okay? Whether your hair is on a protected hairstyle or not, you can absolutely use the deep conditioner. But the protected hairstyle I'm talking about is not protected hairstyle that have extension. Protected hairstyle I'm talking about is mini braid, mini twins, cornrows, or hair that is out. If your protected hairstyle have extension, you don't need to use it yet, okay? Just leave it. Whenever you take your protected hairstyle down, you can go ahead and apply it. That's why I love wearing protected hairstyle without extension, because it helped me to use my recipes without me bothering about anything, okay? So apply this deep conditioner on your hair. If your hair is out, it can also help to detangle your hair, make your hair very easy to manage, very easy to comb without you losing any single strand of hair on your comb. The deep conditioner is super amazing. There's no joke. This will help you a whole lot. If your hair is very hard for you to manage, go ahead and try the deep conditioner, and you run and come back and tell me thank you. I'm not even joking. A trial will convince you, okay? After applying this amazing deep conditioner all over your hair, your scalp, your hair strands, then the next thing you must follow up immediately is to massage your scalp. Scalp massage is very important. It helps this product to penetrate more and give you more better results, and promote more blood circulation, leading to thicker, fuller hair. Okay, it's very important. Do not skip scalp massage for that better result. But wait, this is the part most people skip, so do not skip it, okay? Once you finish applying this amazing deep conditioner on your hair, the next thing you must do immediately is to cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it in for 45 minutes to an hour, okay, so that those ingredients have time to coat and soften your hair. So for better recommendation, I will advise you to leave it to sit on your hair for 45 minutes if you are using steamy cap. But if you are not using steamy cap, allow it to sit on your hair up to an hour so that it can get better results, okay? So after rinsing it out, your hair will look so shinier, so softer. Leave your hair very moisturized, and the detangle your hair will be much easier for you. Okay, so these are the benefits we got in using this conditioner. This conditioner is perfect for dry hair, natural hair, relaxed hair, traditional hair, coil hair, damaged hair, and also hair that break easily. This deep conditioner will help you to solve those problems and give you better healthy hair growth. Okay, so guys, I hope you find this video helpful. If you enjoyed today's recipe, do not forget to like this video because it really help my channel. Okay, and subscribe if you are new here because I am sharing powerful natural hair recipe every single week. Okay, and comment below which of those ingredients surprise you the most. Okay, I would love to know. So guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.
I guess it's